Dashcam information from an expert in the field. All about dashcam.
What is a dashcam for? Most people install a dashcam to record in case an incident occurs. With your smartphone, you can use your dashcam in a smart way. With a compatible smartphone app on your smartphone, you can not only view the footage, but also download and share with others. In some countries like Korea and the UK, you can send the authorities dashcam videos as evidence. Dashcam video can clearly show who is liable during a collision. For example, in the UK, there's a website called National Dashcam Safety Portal, and it allows drivers to upload incident footage. Nearly 5,000 clips have been uploaded and resulted in more than 1,200 prosecutions in the year of launch. Local police said the portal helps reduce the amount of inquiries to communication centers by providing an easy and quick solution for the public to upload footage. Plus, it helps make the region a safer place to drive. However, there are some countries that have strict restrictions on dashcam footage. For example, in Germany, faces and number plates have to be blurred when you upload the footage, and in France, the footage must be sent directly to the police. Imagine how your life could be with a dashcam. Is a dashcam worth spending the money on? As always, the decision is yours.